Hey, welcome back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today I'm so excited to introduce our SubliSparkle. This is a heat transfer vinyl that allows us to sublimate onto cotton materials. So things like duffel bags, tote bags, cotton or cotton blend, things of that nature where we normally wouldn't be able to sublimate, now we can, and I'm going to show you how. There are two parts to this process. First, we're going to take our heat transfer vinyl and put it on our t-shirt, and then we're going to take our sublimatable image and sublimate it on top of the glitter. But since we're going to be working with the glitter first, let's take a look at the heat transfer vinyl. Now I've already taken a cutter and cut out a shape. In this case, it's a circle. And so the next step is going to be to take a little pick here that I have at the studio and just begin picking away at the vinyl that surrounds the shape that I cut out. So once I get it started, I'm going to begin to peel away the vinyl. Leaving us with only the circle once we get all of the vinyl removed. You might need your pick a couple of times to just kind of get it started around there. And I'm just removing the paper surrounding my shape that I cut out on my vinyl. And you're going to want to be gentle so that you don't mess up your shape. But once you have it all removed, you are left with just the shape that you cut out. And then we're going to take it to the press and put it on our shirt. So now we're going to take our heat transfer vinyl and apply it to our shirt. But before we do that, we're going to take our sticky lint roller and gently roll over the area we're going to be working on to make sure it's clean and free of any debris or lint, because that will be sublimated onto the shirt if you leave it. So you want to make sure it's good and clean. Next, we're going to take our heat transfer vinyl with the shape that we have remaining, and we're going to line it up on our shirt. I usually like to leave about 4 fingers from the collar. And once it's nice and centered, we press down to make sure that it's nice and secure onto our shirt. And then we're going to follow up with a piece of Teflon to protect it. And then we press. And for all of the latest instructions, visit Conde.com. So now that our first step has been complete, we're going to leave this here to cool, and then we'll come check in just a minute. Like I said earlier, this is a 2-part process, and so while our heat transfer vinyl was cooling, I was busy cutting out my sublimated portion, my sublimated image, and then also adjusting the temperature for our sublimated portion. So be sure to check out Conde.com for all of the latest instructions in regards to that. And this is a cold peel, and it has cooled off, so now it's time to peel back our heat transfer vinyl. And I'm just going to very delicately pull it back, leaving the glitter circle on the t-shirt. And so far, it looks really good. I'm really excited about this. All right. That was easy. And now we're going to straighten up our t-shirt here and take our sublimated image and line it up with the circle that is the SubliSparkle. And I made a little dot on my image so that I know where the mountain top is. And I can align the top with the top of the shirt. And it looks pretty even. I'm going to double check all the sides just to make sure it's lined up correctly. But I think it's ready to go. I'm just going to top it off with my sheet of Teflon, and then sublimate the image to the SubliSparkle. Here we go. And that sound means we're done. So I'm going to remove the heat and remove the Teflon. And I'm going to very carefully remove our sublimated portion, peel it back, And that looks so good. I'm gonna let it cool off for a bit and then I'll show you how it looks. Our SubliSparkle t-shirt turned out fantastic. I am really excited about this product, and it's really cool to be able to sublimate on cotton or cotton blend materials where normally we wouldn't be able to. If you call your Conde account agent today and tell them Tori sent you, they'll send you a free small sample of the SubliSparkle for you to try at home. For more tips, products, and services, check out Conde.com, and for more of my videos, be sure you're watching Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thank you for watching.